So the correction, the first question here, we're trying to divide fraction by fraction. So immediately after this, if all things are equal with this, your submission, we will move straight to dividing fraction with whole numbers. This is a fraction, this is a fraction. So we're dividing fraction by fraction, okay? Okay, all right. So 3 over 9 divided by 2 over 9 simply gives us 3 over 9 times 9 over 2. And you already know that you can divide through this. Then this gives me 3 over 2. But is this proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
So look at it, always turn it to proper fraction, like mixed number. Is that clear?
Okay.
How many 2 is in 3? That's 1, remainder 1 over 2. Okay,
Okay.
good. So your answer is correct, but next time change it to uh, mixed number, okay? That is
Okay.
only when a bigger number is above, okay? But if it's 2 over 3, if it's 2 over 3, your answer is correct. So let's take note of that. Number 2, we have 10 over 6 divided by 12 over 9. So this would be 10 over 6 times 9 over 12. And look at this. Is there anything that can divide themselves there? Yeah, hold on.
Six. 10 and 12 and 6 and 9.
So between 10 and 12, we can use 2. 2 here, 5, 2 here, 6, and 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. So 5 times 3 is what? 15, right? Okay, yeah. Now, I had you said 5 times, you said in 10 and 12, right? And 9 and 6, right?
Um,
So 2 in 10 gives us 5, 2 in 12 gives us 6, and 3 in 6 gives us 2, 3 in 9 gives us 3, right? Good. So 3 can still divide. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2, okay?
okay.
Then we have 5 times 1 gives us 5, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. So this is also improper fraction. How many 4 in 5? That's 1, remainder 1 over 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now look at the answer you get. You could have cut it down by 3 a 5 and 3 a 6. How did you even get this? Let me check it very well because it shouldn't be 5 over 6 if I'm right. 3a 3. Oh, you made a mistake here. Can you see this? If you use 3 to divide this to give you 3, 3a should be 2. Okay?
Oh,
So take note of that. Now, number 3, we have 7 over 10 divided by 28 over 30. So that is 7 over 10 times 30 over 28. So 10 can divide 30. 10 here, 1, 10 here, 3. And 7 can divide 28, right? 7 here, 1, 7 here, 4. So we have 3 times 1, that's 3, and 3 times 4. And 4 times 1, that's 4. Okay?
okay.
So your answer is correct to this one. Then the last question, which is number 4. We have, okay, I think we have one more after them. So 4 over 15 divided by 16 over 25. This will give us 4 over 15 times what? 25 over 16, right? 5 here, 3, 5 here, 5. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 4. So we have 5 times 1, that's 5, and 3 times 4, that's 12. 5 over 12. We got that right. And the last question, we have 5 over 3 divided by 20 over 9. This is going to be 5 over 3 times 9 over 20. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 1, 5 here, 4. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 1 is 4. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So your number 5, did you get 4 over, did you get 3 over 4?
Yes.
Where is the answer to number 5?
Is at the bottom at the end.
At the end, I already
Yeah.
marked that for, this is number 4, or what? Yeah, this number 4.
There's no 5.
No. 7 over 10 and 30 over 28 gives you this, and you got your 3 over 4. So where is the answer to number 5? Maybe you got 3 over 10, right? Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, put down the correction to number, this number 2 and number 5, okay? But before you do that, let's quickly look at the other topic, which is dividing um, fraction between fraction and whole numbers, okay?
Okay.
Division between fractions and whole numbers. So let's look at some examples. Please concentrate on this. You know, if it's a fraction to be divided by a fraction, what you simply need to do, you know, if it's a fraction like this divided by another fraction, you simply need to put the first fraction and flip the other one, right?
Okay.
Then you have the product of A and D and the product of B and C. Is that correct?
Okay.
And anyone that can divide will divide them. But if it's a whole number, let's say this is step one. The second one, if it's a fraction divided by a whole number, okay, just put just put over one beside that under that whole number. Then it's going to be the first fraction time. You now flip this. If I flip this one, which one will now go up? Which one will come down? Yes, tell me.
What
Which
do you
one?
say?
Yeah, I said, you know, we're supposed to flip this, yes or no?
Yeah.
So, which one should go up? What should I write at the top? What should I write at the bottom?
C1.
Which C1? This is C over 1. When I flip it, what will it become?
Um.
The bottom will go to the top, and the top will come to the bottom. So, what should I write?
1C.
Not 1C. Say 1 over C.
1 over C.
Is that clear now?
Yes.
You know, there was no number here at all. I just put over 1 because anything over 1 remains the same number. What is 3 over 1? That's 3. What is 5 over 1? That's 5. What is 20 over 1?
30.
20. What is 85 over 1?
84.
85 over 1 is 85, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't change the value. That's why we just put the over 1. So we now change this. Then it now become the product of A and 1, which is A. Then the product of B and C at the bottom. But if it's a whole number like this, divided by a fraction, okay, what you would do is to write your whole number and put it times. Then what will I write now if I must flip the fraction since I've changed it to times? What am I going to write now? Will I still write B over C? Yeah, talk. Tell me what to write now.
Mm,
Will I still write B over C? When you know,
C, o,
yeah,
C
yeah.
over
Say it again.
C over B.
Yes, C over B, okay? Then I can now multiply A and C to give me a C and multiply, there's nothing to multiply A and B. So let's look at some examples. One, if you have 2 over 5 divided by 3, tell me what to do based on this level. Use this to guide you to tell me what to do. Already you know we'll write our fraction, yes or no. Now tell me what to write.
Mm, you have to write 2 over 5
Okay.
on 3.
What next?
Then you put the multiples on the multiplication sign, then you put 3.
No,
Then
I
you
won't
put
put
the
I won't put 3. Do you know this is over 1, right?
okay.
So what should I put now?
Then you put 3 over 1.
I put what?
3 over 1. And
No.
means 1,
Again, please, again.
1 over 3.
Are you getting it now?
Kind of.
Now, if is there anything that can divide themselves? No. Is there anything that can divide themselves?
No.
So what is 2 times 1?
2.
What is 5 times 3?
15.
Is this clear now?
Kind of.
Now explain it if it's clear. Explain it to me. You know the question did not have any over 1 here. Okay, let me remove it. The question didn't come with any 3 over 1. So now explain.
Um, so after when you write the dividing,
Mm-hmm.
you put the equal sign, then you write it over again. Then, but in the middle, you put the multiplication sign,
Mm-hmm.
and the one before, you put 1 over 3.
And because it's 3 over 1, right? Because this
Okay.
one is 3 over 1, right?
Yes.
And the 1 doesn't make any difference. That's why we didn't put it there. But if you're using the inverse, which is to flip it over, that will be 1 over 3. Then 2 times 1 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 2 over 5 divided by 5. So this is supposed to be over 1, yes or no?
Yes.
5 over 1. So we write our 2 over 5, then we put times. So tell me what to write now.
You write 1 over 5.
Very correct. So what should be my answer?
Um, 2 over 25.
And that's correct because they can't divide themselves. So please remember this when you're doing your own, okay?
Okay.
Now let's look at more examples before I give you what to try. Let's say we have 2 divided by 6 over 7. 2 divided by what? 2 divided by what?
Divided by 6 over 7.
Now, what will I write?
Um,
I'll write my first number, right? What will I write?
you write 1 over 2.
No, because I'm not flipping anything on the first one. So what should I write?
You write 2.
Good. And what again?
Then you multiply it
Okay. What will I write now?
at 6. 7 over 6.
Correct. Now, can anything divide from top to bottom?
Yes.
What can divide?
2 and 6.
So 2 here, 1, 2 here. Please don't forget the step. So what numbers do I have at the top now?
1 times 7.
Which is
7.
then at the bottom
3.
3. Excuse me. So 7 over 3, right? 7 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Is this proper or improper?
Improper.
Then that will be, see, how many 3 is in 7? How many 3 is in 7?
Mm,
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 3? 1, 2. So how many 3 is in 7?
2.
Remember what?
Ring the 1.
So that's what you should do next time, okay?
Okay.
Let me think. Oh, let me see. Let's see what I can do to this. So this is gonna become 2 whole number, okay?
Okay.
Remainder 1 over 3. Remainder 1 over 3. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay, let's look at maybe 2 more examples, then I'll give you something to try after writing everything down, okay? Now, number 4. 4 divided by half, okay?
Okay.
4 divided by half. So tell me what to write.
Write 4 times 2 over 1.
Good. 4 times 2 over 1. So what is 4 times 2?
Um, 4 and 2.
What is 4 times 2?
4 and 2. 8.
Hey, you remember I asked you to recite 4 times table today, right?
Yeah.
Can you try it again now?
8.
No, just say 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Try it again now. Try it 4 times again. Yeah.
4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 12. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 30, 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times 11, 44. 4 times 12, 48.
That's a very good one. So 4 times 2 gives us 8 over 1. So what's the meaning of 8 over 1? What's our final answer?
Um,
8 divided by 1 is what? Is
1.
8. Is 8. 8. 8. Okay. When you divide a number by 1, it doesn't change what the number is. Is that clear?
Okay.
So whenever you meet it, don't leave your answer like this, otherwise you will not get your full mark. Okay?
Okay.
So just take note of that. So I think we're going to look at two more examples now. So number 5, I said 2 before, but it's just so that for better understanding before I give you what to do. So number 5, 8 divided by 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So tell me what to write. Look up. Tell me what to write.
Um, you write 8
Okay.
times 3 over 2.
Okay. So can anything divide themselves there?
8 and 2.
So 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So what do I write now?
So it's 4 times 3,
Which is
which is 12
over.
over 1.
And what's the final answer?
Um, 12.
12. Is that clear?
Yes.
So whenever you see anything over 1, that means the same thing. The last example we're going to look at before I give you what to do. 5 over 7 divided by 9. So 5 over 7, oh, I'm supposed to ask you what to write. So how do I go ahead now?
Um, you write 5 over 7
Mm-hmm.
times 9.
No, why should I write times 9?
I mean, 1 over 9.
Aha, if you forget that, you're going to miss your own classwork, okay? Can anything divide themselves there?
Um,
Can any number divide themselves from top to bottom?
yeah.
No. So, what should I write now?
You write 5.
Okay, over
You write over.
7 times 9, that is 63, okay?
Okay.
So that shows you that you still need to go ahead and know all of the multiplication tables, okay? So I'm going to allow you to put down, starting from the correction, we're going to put down two corrections, which is number 2, this one, and number 5, okay? So after putting that down, you now put down the notes on this one. Then I'm going to give you, if there's no more time, I'm going to give you homework. But if there's time, you take classwork, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so you can start writing now.